Oh hey, what are you doing in here?
Oh, hey! Today we want to show how to change the magnets in a standard MagKeeper 3-inch gun from standard magnets into high-strength magnets. Alright, so first we're going to take a 2.5mm wrench and we're going to remove our dark space shield to expose our magnets. Then we're going to use a 2mm wrench to remove our center screw. Alright, to remove our center magnet, we're going to use a magnet removal tool. And to remove our outer magnet, we're going to use 2 screwdrivers. Find a little slot in the gun, lift it up, work your screwdriver under it, work them in tandem until you have a sufficient air gap for the magnet to peel off. Just like that. All right, to change the magnets out, for the high strength versions, I'm going to check our polarity, south side up on the rider magnet for a standard polarity gun. So it's centered. Okay. For your center magnet, you want to check the polarity, north side up, which is the opposite of your ring magnet. Then approach it slowly with a firm grip. Let the magnet field grab it and drop it in. Secure it with your center screw. And you're done.